Ever wondered how to maximize your Maldives vacation experience? Let's embark on a journey to the Maldives, a true paradise on earth and a top luxury travel destination. Imagine yourself in a place where the sun is always shining, where the sands are white as snow, and where the ocean gleams with 100 shades of blue. The Maldives, a chain of 26 coral atolls in the Indian Ocean, offers an array of unique features that make it a desired destination for luxury travelers worldwide. It's a place where the beaches are pristine, untouched by the hustle and bustle of city life. Here you can lose yourself in the tranquility of nature. I truly hope she doesn't ride off into the ocean. But it's not just the beaches that make the Maldives extraordinary. The crystal clear waters of its lagoons are home to an abundant marine life, creating a vibrant underwater world that's waiting to be explored. From playful dolphins to graceful manta rays, the Maldivian waters are a treasure trove of biodiversity. One of the unique aspects of the Maldives is its commitment to sustainability. Many of the resorts here are eco-friendly, designed to minimize their impact on the environment. It's a place where luxury meets sustainability, where you can enjoy the comforts of a world-class vacation while respecting the natural beauty around you. Get ready to immerse yourself in the local culture too. The Maldives is rich with traditions that date back thousands of years. Whether it's the rhythmic beat of Bodubaru music, the craftsmanship of local artisans, or the unique flavors of Maldivian cuisine, there's a wealth of cultural experiences that await you. So, how can you maximize your Maldives vacation experience? It's about embracing the beauty around you, immersing yourself in the local culture, and taking the time to explore the underwater world. But that's just the beginning. Ready to dive in? Let's explore the incredible dining experiences that await you in the Maldives. First on the menu is the culinary adventure that awaits you in the Maldives. Imagine dining as an experience, not just a necessity. In the Maldives, each meal is an opportunity to embark on a gastronomic journey. The islands offer a wide variety of dining options, from laid-back beachside barbecues to the ultimate in luxury, dining in underwater restaurants. Beachside grills offer a relaxed, barefoot experience. Here you can enjoy a variety of dishes, often cooked over an open fire, while your toes dig into the soft, white sand. Freshly caught seafood is a staple of these casual dining venues, and you can often choose your meal right from the day's catch. For a more formal experience, the Maldives underwater restaurants offer unparalleled dining environments. As you enjoy a multi-course meal, you'll be surrounded by the stunning underwater beauty of the Indian Ocean. It's a meal and an aquarium visit all in one, an experience that is as memorable as it is delicious. When it comes to the cuisine, fresh seafood is the star of the show. But there's more to Maldivian food than just fish. Traditional Maldivian cuisine is a flavorful blend of South Asian influences with plenty of coconut, rice, and an array of spices. Don't miss the chance to try dishes like mashuni, a savory breakfast dish made from tuna, coconut, and onions, or the fluffy roshi flatbread, often served alongside curries. Dining in the Maldives is more than just about the food. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture. Remember to respect the local customs and traditions. For instance, it's common to eat with your hands in the Maldives, but always with the right hand, as the left is considered unclean. It's these nuances that make dining in the Maldives a truly unique experience. With your appetite satisfied, it's time to find the perfect place to rest. Now imagine resting in an overwater bungalow, surrounded by the soothing sounds of the ocean. The Maldives is a tropical paradise that offers a myriad of accommodations, each designed to cater to your unique preferences and budget, ensuring your stay is nothing short of spectacular. For those seeking the epitome of luxury, the Maldives boasts a plethora of five-star resorts. Here, opulence meets the ocean, with private infinity pools, personal butlers, and even underwater bedrooms. Whether you're lounging on your sun deck or gazing at the marine life from your glass-bottomed living room, these resorts offer a slice of heaven on earth. But luxury in the Maldives isn't just about extravagance. It's also about the unique Maldivian architecture and design. Traditional thatched roof water villas, inspired by local Doni fishing boats, blend effortlessly into the landscape. The use of local materials like coconut timber and palm thatch not only pays homage to the Maldivian heritage, but also promotes sustainable tourism. For the eco-conscious traveler, the Maldives offers a range of eco-friendly resorts. These accommodations prioritize sustainability without compromising on comfort or style. Solar-powered villas, plastic-free policies, and on-site water purification systems ensure your stay respects and preserves the natural beauty of the islands. Budget-friendly options are also available, from guest houses on local islands to budget resorts. These accommodations offer a more authentic Maldivian experience, allowing you to mingle with locals, sample traditional cuisine, and explore the island's unspoiled beauty. Choosing the right accommodation in the Maldives is like picking your favorite flavor of ice cream. Whether you're a solo traveler seeking solitude, a couple on a romantic getaway, or a family in search of adventure, there's something to suit everyone's taste. Consider your preferences, be it luxury or sustainability, seclusion or community, opulence or simplicity. Factor in your budget, and then let your dreams guide your choice. Remember, every stay in the Maldives is an opportunity to create unforgettable memories. With such comfortable accommodations, you'll be recharged and ready for some thrilling ocean activities. The turquoise waters of the Maldives are a playground for adventurous travelers. Imagine slipping into a world of vibrant coral reefs, teeming with a kaleidoscope of marine life. Snorkeling in the Maldives isn't just a pastime, it's a journey into a living, breathing underwater realm. But remember, safety comes first. Always snorkel with a buddy and heed local advice on currents and marine life. Now let's dive deeper, literally. The Maldives is world-renowned for its manta ray interactions. These gentle giants glide through the water with an ethereal grace that leaves divers spellbound. The best time to dive with manta rays is between May and November, when plankton blooms attract these majestic creatures in large numbers. But heed this advice. While the sight of these creatures is breathtaking, maintain a respectful distance. Their safety and yours is paramount. Finally, let's catch the wind and sail. Traditional donis, handcrafted wooden boats, are the heart and soul of Maldivian seafaring culture. Aboard one of these vessels, you'll not only navigate the azure waters but also time itself, as these boats are a testament to a centuries-old maritime tradition. Whether you're seeking the thrill of a sunset cruise or a multi-day excursion to untouched atolls, sailing in the Maldives is an experience you won't want to miss. Remember, the best time to sail is during the northeast monsoon season, from November to April, when the seas are calm and the winds are favorable. The Maldives offers a plethora of ocean activities, each promising its own unique adventure and memories that will last a lifetime. But remember, while the Maldives is a paradise for travelers, it's also home to a delicate ecosystem. Respect the ocean and its inhabitants, and they will reward you with experiences beyond your wildest dreams. After all these exhilarating activities, it's time to explore the local culture and history. The Maldives isn't just about its beaches and oceans, it's also rich in culture and history. As you wander beyond the beaches, you'll find that the Maldives offers a wealth of sightseeing opportunities that delve into the heart of its vibrant culture and intriguing history. One of the must-do experiences is visiting local islands. Each island has its own unique charm and character, offering a glimpse into the authentic Maldivian lifestyle. From the bustling markets of Mal, the capital city, to the serene villages on islands like Mafushi or Digura, you'll find a world far removed from the luxury resorts, yet equally captivating. Next, let's talk about cultural sites. The Hukuru Miski, also known as the Friday Mosque, is one of the oldest and most ornate mosques in the country. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it offers a unique blend of Maldivian and Islamic architecture. Another gem is the Maldives National Museum, where you can explore the country's rich history and heritage through its impressive collection of artifacts. But sightseeing in the Maldives isn't just about visiting places. It's about immersing yourself in the local lifestyle. Try your hand at traditional crafts, join in a local bodubaru drum performance, or simply enjoy a cup of hedika, a traditional Maldivian snack with the locals. As you explore, remember the importance of respectful tourism. The Maldivian culture and environment are precious and should be treated with care. Always be mindful of local customs, dress modestly when visiting inhabited islands, and take care not to disturb the wildlife or damage the coral reefs. So there you have it, a guide to maximizing your Maldives vacation experience. Remember, the beauty of the Maldives is not just in its landscapes, but also in its people and culture. So pack your bags, respect the environment, and get ready for the trip of a lifetime. As we've mentioned earlier, respecting the environment and culture is essential when visiting the Maldives. In fact, sustainable travel is a core part of the Maldivian experience. The Maldives is a low-lying country, vulnerable to the effects of climate change. As a traveler, there are several ways you can contribute to preserving this paradise for future generations. Firstly, always choose eco-friendly accommodations. Many resorts in the Maldives are committed to sustainability practices such as reducing waste, conserving water, and using renewable energy. Secondly, participate in conservation activities. Join a coral planting session, participate in a beach cleanup, or donate to a local conservation organization. Thirdly, minimize your carbon footprint. Choose non-motorized water sports, use public transportation when possible, and consider offsetting your flight emissions. Lastly, respect the local culture. Learn a few words in the local language, Divahi, dress modestly when visiting local islands, and always ask for permission before taking photos of locals. By traveling responsibly, not only will you have a more meaningful experience, but you will also help to preserve the unique beauty and culture of the Maldives for future generations. So, as you plan your Maldives vacation, remember, it's not just about seeing the sights, it's about making a positive impact. Pack your bags, respect the environment, and embark on a journey of responsible exploration. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Safe travels!